To change theme on POCO X7 Pro, all you need to do is find the Themes app, which you can find in the app drawer over here. Or if not, then you can also go to the settings, go to personalization, and then over here you should be able to find themes as well. Now here we find the list of different themes. Most of them that you see in this store are free. Choose the one that you like the most, and then you can press download. You might need to sign up to a Xiaomi account, but once you download it, you can either press apply or customize. If you choose to customize, then you can choose some options as well. So let's press apply. Unfortunately, there seems to be compatibility issues with this one, but we can still press got it in order to apply it nevertheless. And let's see how it looks like. There we go. Our theme is now changed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!